Okay, everyone, I cannot stand fire alarms, aka fire drills. I know they are for safety, but it is so loud. Like, turn it down. What if people are sleeping and they have to hear that? I am serious. No one wants to hear that unless there is a real fire. But the fire alarm going off for a drill really ruins my school day. We just hit a new month of the school year, and you know what that means. The fire drill can happen at any second at school right now, and I am scared. I am covering my ears because I know that the alarm is about to go off. And I cannot focus in class because I am worried of that alarm going off. And I stare at the alarm, saying to myself, it's about to go off, and then all of a sudden, eh, 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 eh. Well, that is what the alarm sounds like in my school. Yep, because my school uses Edwards EST Integrity horn strobes, and they are so loud. And these are the alarms that were in my first preschool. Edwards EST Integrities were the fire alarms I grew up with in my school. There was no escaping those things ever since I started going to public school, because those alarms are all over my area, particularly in the county that I live in. Those alarms are very common in the Washington, D.C., Baltimore metro area. And, in fact, there is a fire alarm book over there, and it has the Edwards EST Integrity. And it has several alarms that were installed in my schools over the years. Let me tell you, I really hated fire drills ever since preschool because of the loud alarm. If my school were to use a voice evacuation system, aka speaker strobes, instead of horn strobes, for the fire alarm since preschool, then I would have liked fire drills much better. Fire drills would have been much less ear-piercing compared to what they are now. The fire alarm in my school is so loud that it could potentially burst out someone's eardrums. Especially if you are sitting right under the alarm when it goes off. What I really hate is the fact that the fire alarm is loud in the classroom. It's already bad enough that it's loud in the hallways, but if the alarm is loud in the classroom, I have to prepare myself for these drills because it is so loud in the classroom. In every class that I am in this year, the alarm is very loud in the classroom. And there is even a horn strobe in small classrooms. Unbelievable. Do you know how loud that is? Do you know how bad that is? That is very bad. It could potentially burst out someone's eardrums. Yes, I cannot stand it when the fire alarm goes off when I am in the bathroom. The worst time the alarm should go off is when you are in the bathroom, especially if you are a girl taking your own dump and then the alarm goes off. Well, you will be disgusting and you will have less time to wipe your behind for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. If you are eating lunch and then the fire alarm goes off, that is rude. Are you serious? In the middle of eating lunch and then that alarm sounds? Well, your lunchtime will get ruined for no reason, all because of a stupid drill. Like, come on. Oh, and this time of year, there is testing going on. What if you are taking a test and then the alarm goes off? Well, you will have less time to take the test for no reason, all because of a stupid drill. Like, come on. The drills. I cannot stand these drills. Regular evacuations if there is an emergency, I get that. But stop with all the drills. All these drills do is waste time for no reason and scare people for no reason, and will cause you to be out in bad weather for no reason. All because it's just a drill. These drills really ruin your school day for no reason. They sure really ruin my school day. Sometimes I want peace, but a stupid drill has to ruin my school day. Has to ruin the peace for me. Like, come on. Why? Why do we have to do these drills? Why are we... Why? Why do we have to do these drills? Oh, they are for safety. We are in high school. We are not in preschool or elementary school anymore. We are in high school. So we exactly know what to do when there is a fire in the school. And we exactly know what to do when the alarm goes off. I am serious. Quit pulling down the fire alarm once a month for a fire drill. I cannot stand these drills. Yes, in preschool and in elementary school, these drills can stay because these drills teach younger students what to do when there is a fire in the school and not to go all crazy when the alarm goes off. I totally get that, but once we get up to middle school and high school, we exactly know what to do. So we don't have to do the drills anymore. Bye.